Hello children, welcome to English class. In my last session, I have started a new lesson, Reach for the Top. And now I am going to continue that. We have finished till uh, the narrator, she has joined Uttarangshi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, right? Thereafter, Santosh went on expedition every year. Her climbing skills matured rapidly, quite naturally. If you keep on practicing any work, then the maturity of the work will increase, your style of working will improve, and you will be a perfect person in that specific ground. Thereafter, Santosh, her climbing, also she developed a remarkable resistance to cold and altitude, equipped with an iron will, physical endurance, and an amazing mental toughness. She proved herself repeatedly. Now, when you are doing the, what should I say, doing the trekking, then you have to be mentally very sound. Your nerves have to be very strong because the road, the path through which you are rising up, that will not be smooth enough. There will be boulders, there will be ups and downs. And those ups and downs, you have to recover, or you have to, what should I say? You have to overcome. And for that, your toughness, your strength is highly required, which Santosh had in a huge amount. And so, every time, whenever she was doing the trekking, she proved herself to be the toughest. The culmination of her hard work and sincerity came in 1992, just 4 years after she had shyly asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them. At barely 20 years of age, Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve the feat. If her climbing skills, physical fitness, and mental strength impressed her seniors, her concern for others and desire to work together with them found her a special place in the hearts of fellow climbers. Means seniors were really getting impressed by her strength, her moral toughness, and the willpower she is having inside her. And side by side, she was also having sympathetic attitude, kindness, and love towards her fellow members, which really attracted the colleagues of her who were climbing climbing with her. During the 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to the climber who lay dying at the South Col. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. However, she managed to save another climber. South Col means South Colonel. Col is the short form. Mohan Singh, who would have met with the same fate had she not shared her oxygen with him. Actually, when you're rising up, the oxygen level falls down. And as it falls down, you will be requiring oxygen cylinder. And if you are not having enormous, huge cylinder at your back, then you will not be able to take oxygen properly. And this unsuccessful in saving him, Colonel was not able to carry huge amount of oxygen with him, and later on she was unable to save Colonel, but she saved Mohan Singh, who was also suffering with breathing problem, and she provided him oxygen. Within 12 months, Santosh found herself a member of Indo-Nepalese Women's Expedition that invited her to join them. She then scaled the Everest a second time, thus setting a record as the only woman to have scaled the Everest twice and securing for herself and India a unique place in the annals of mountaineering. In recognition of her achievements, the Indian government bestowed upon her one of the nation's top honors, the Padma Shri. She also got Padma Shri because of her strong willpower, because of her strength, and because of her beautiful record of climbing and mountaineering. Describing her feelings when she was literally on the top of the world, Santosh had said it took some time of the enormity of the moment to sink in. Then I unfurled the Indian tricolor and held it aloft on the roof of the world. The feeling is undescribable. The Indian flag was flying on the top of the world. It was truly a spiritual moment. I felt proud as an Indian. Actually, what they used to do, they used to take Indian flag in their bag, folded, and when they used to reach the top, because they are representing India, they used to place the Indian flag over there, and she's sharing that whenever she used to do that, she used to feel very proud to be an Indian, and it was a very what should I say, a very memorable moment, a very touchy feeling, and a very emotional side that I am representing India, such a vast country, and I am successful to make India standing at the top. Okay. Also, a fervent environmentalist, Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilogram of garbage from the Himalayas. And as because Himalaya was getting destroyed, so he collected 500 kilograms of garbage at her back and put it down from the Himalaya so that Himalaya will remain good and fit for other people to climb up. Here ends your lesson. It's a very beautiful lesson because when a person has a strong willpower and moral strength, then he or she can do whatever they decide. I hope you must have understood the lesson. Hope to see you very soon with a new lesson. Thank you.